morning guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Sajid and I'm a senior worker trainer working at Xcel Global Services, Kukatpalli, road number 1. We here provide training for the students or aspirants who are looking for overseas education and PR immigration process also. We train here on IELTS, PT, GRE, GMAT and SAT. And we even provide online training for the people who cannot accommodate themselves to attend a classroom session. In this vlog guys, we are going to discuss about speaking module in IELTS. What are the different modules, which are the tasks which we are supposed to perform in IELTS speaking. So when it comes to speaking of IELTS, we have 3 tasks to perform guys. The task 1, task 2 and task 3. Task 1 will be general introduction, wherein the examiner will ask you basic questions on your name, family, education, hobbies, achievements, etc. And how are you supposed to answer these questions? You are supposed to answer these questions in at least 2 to 3 sentences. You are not supposed to give broken sentences. You are not supposed to use one-word answers when you are taking task 1. For example, if the interviewer is asking you, what is your full name? You are supposed to answer it something like this. For example, if he is asking me, how would I answer this? My full name is Khaja Sajid Ali. My family and friends call me Sajid. The one who are really closest to me called Saju. I'll be happy if you can call me Sajid. So yes, this is the way of answering task. Whatever you know, just speak it in 2 to 3 sentences. But when it comes to task 2 guys, here you will be given a topic that is called as a cue card, and you are supposed to speak on the topic for between 1 to 2 minutes, and they will give you 1 minute for preparation. Here guys, you are supposed to focus on the areas like what is this about, where did this happen, when did this happen, what are the advantages of that particular situation, what were the problems you faced because of the situation, etc. So you are supposed to limit your talk between 1 to 2 minutes only. And the task 3 will be follow-up questions guys, wherein they will be asking you questions related to task 2 which you have spoken. The evaluator will ask you around, the examiner is going to ask you around 8 to 10 questions related to task 2. In this section guys, you are not supposed to give 2 or 3 sentence answers. You are supposed to elaborately answer these questions with some suitable examples and scenarios. The best answer would be the one which has some suitable examples and scenarios. As a trainer, I suggest guys, do not speak more than 6 sentences or lost your call or your talk for not more than 30 seconds. Hope this video helps you guys. For further more information, you can visit our website. The link is subscribed below. You can click that and subscribe us. Thank you.